Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So currently Logitech is hiring for the technical intern. Okay, expected salary is up to 5 LPA and job location is Chennai. It's for the freshers. So let's discuss about the responsibilities. Here you have to write, modify, test and debug high quality code utilizing SQL and PLSQL for the creation of stored procedures, packages, functions, and database triggers. Okay. Assist in the technical development of custom components adhering to the Oracle EBS, okay, functional specification. Learn to monitor, analyze, and troubleshoot issues within the Oracle EBS environment. Actively participate in training and knowledge sharing sessions focused on Oracle technical architecture, development best practices, and release management processes. Okay. Eligibility criteria like currently pursuing a bachelor or a master degree in computer science, information technology, engineering, or a closely related to technical field. So you are eligible for this opportunity. Required skills like a foundational theoretical and practical understanding of relational database management systems concepts, demonstrated proficiency in SQL, and at least one additional object oriented or procedural programming language. Okay, and good problem solving, analytical and verbal written communication skills, and ability to manage tasks independently, take initiative, and collaborate effectively within a fast paced, team oriented development environment. So, this is a very good opportunity for the freshers. So, please go and apply as soon as possible. Next update is from the Wipro. Wipro is basically hiring for the junior engineer role. Okay, and it's for the Pune, Maharashtra. So let's discuss here what all the responsibilities, what you have to do, design and develop solutions as per client. Okay, work on different software like CAD, CAE to develop appropriate models as per the project plan or customer requirements. Okay, test the prototype, okay, and design produce on the software and check all boundary conditions, produce specifications and determine operational feasibility by integrating software components. Okay, so this is also a very good opportunity. So please go to the Wipro official portal, okay, and then from there you have to apply for this. This is a very good opportunity, so please go and apply as soon as possible. So that's all for today. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.